Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the James Charles and Morphe palette to achieve this eye look. This palette is beautiful. It has a lot of different shades that you can definitely release your inner artist, which I tried to do today. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, I went ahead and did my brows off camera. If you want to see how I do my brows normally, you can check out my last tutorial, and I'll link that at the end of this video. I'm gonna start off with Urban Decay Eden Primer, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid because James did say in his tutorial that it's best to use a primer that's meant for the eyes versus using a concealer like I normally do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over my lid. And I'm going to go in straight with You're Kidding, and what I'm gonna do is just start packing it on my crease right here. And James also said it's better for the pressed pigments to be pressed versus swiping them around because they'll just start to look patchy. Whoa, that is pigmented. Next, I'm going in with a Luxie 213, and I'm going to dip into 518 right here, this orange shade. And I'm still gonna like pack this one on, but just on like the edges of that first eyeshadow we put down, the red. So I'm still trying to just pack it versus like too much blending. Little motions here. So I'm going to use that same brush and I'm going to dip into Rusted and just go in between those two shades. And I'm gonna go back in with the Luxie 231 brush, and I'm gonna start working this up a little bit more towards my brow. With that same Luxie brush, I'm gonna dip into B, tap off my brush, and then you just kinda wanna go at the rim of the orange eyeshadow we put down, which was 518, just to kind of like blow everything out and make it like a blended look. So it's a little tough to actually get this line to go away. Just to let you guys know, these eyeshadows aren't the easiest thing to work with. I would definitely say if you're a beginner, I wouldn't jump straight into this palette. But if you just take your time with the eyeshadows, I feel like you can definitely be able to blend them out. It just takes some time. You just have to be patient with it. Now I'm dipping into Escape, which is this purple. We're gonna do the same thing. You just wanna like kind of press on, dip back into it, and just pack it on right underneath that red shade. And then I'm dipping back into the Escape just to try to get rid of this patchiness. So, same thing, I'm gonna dip in one more time. Once we do the cut crease, it's gonna clean this up. I'm going back in with that Anastasia 18 brush in NC15, and I'm just gonna apply some to the back of my hand. So dip both sides of the brush. So I start doing like a rough draft, and then I'll check out my other eye and see where I need to place it. I just stamp it and then pick up more concealer. So to be honest, it is pretty hard to get them even. It's not the easiest thing, but
I mean, just try your best. It's makeup. It doesn't have to be perfect.
And then you want to just wipe your brush off a little bit.
Just to remove some of the concealer. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard for me to get on camera. So that's what we have, this yellow shade. And then I'm going to go straight right here and just pack it on.
And then I'm going to dip into Ringlight, which is this shade right here. Those red shades.
And I'm just gonna start packing it on right here.
Now I'm going to pick up Artistry, which is the only one that has like glitter in it.
And I'm gonna go out on this outer corner.
I'm going to go in with MAC Liquid Lash Liner.
So I'm just gonna start off in this inner corner.
Kat Von D Tattoo Liner.
Just to the rim of my eyelashes.
Now I'm just going to do my face routine and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and did my face routine and I put on some 48 eyelashes by MAC. These are a little long for my liking, but I felt like it would go okay with the look. So now I'm going in with a Morphe E36 brush and I'm going to dip into this lime green shade over here, which is called Social Blade. And now I'm going to mix Cola and Playground together. And I'm gonna go on the outer corner next to the purple MAC Extended Play. I'm just going to use it on my bottom lashes. So this is what it looks like so far. So now I'm going to go into the highlighter shade in the palette, which is called Phase. And I'm going to use my MAC 224 brush. And I'm going to apply that to the tops of my cheekbones. I'm using my E4 brush. And James said that you could use this eyeshadow right here, literally. We're also going to go into Ringlight one more time for the inner corner highlight. Now while we're still zoomed in, I'm going to go in with Stripdown Lip Liner by MAC. Just a nude, peachy brown-ish. And then I'm going in with MAC Peachstock. And my favorite gloss that I've been loving so much is the Lip Maximizer. And I'm going to put my hair down and I'll be right back to show you guys the final look. That completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for future videos and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see or if you want another tutorial on the James and Morphe palette. So I hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching. Bye. I think that one was okay. That was good. Yeah. Okay, let's film this one more time. Okay. One more time. Deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Awkward.